Hello, my name is Ava Avalos, and this is my 1.3 assignment for EDOL 707, Organizational Theory and Development. There are 4 practices in leading from the heart, which include the number 1 is hire people with heart, building a highly engaged team. Number 2, heart-to-heart, connect on a personal level. Number 3, empower the heart, maximize employee potential. And number 4, inspire the heart, value and honor achievements. I currently work for an organization, an e-commerce print manufacturer, which has locations in California, Connecticut, New Jersey, Ohio, Texas, and the Philippines with over 1,300 employees. Their biggest push is productivity. Leading from the heart would not be something my current organization would very easily adopt. One of the things would be that they don't have time, the constant push to getting things out the door, avoiding connecting with individuals on a personal level. Because of that push, also valuing and honoring achievements are something that's being put on a back burner. So leading from the heart would not be something that's very easily adopted. To turn that around and hopefully to engage them would be to show them statistics of organizations that have, great financial performance because of adopting things, whether it's value and honoring achievements, whether it's connecting on a personal level, showing them the financial performance of other organizations can help to turn that around and hopefully get them on board to use these methods. With regards to, in thinking of my transformational change project, my transformational change project includes fostering a culture of continuous learning, which embraces shared knowledge and an open mindset that drives towards the mission and goals of the company. The most important actions to the development of employee engagement and sustainable change in the organization would include hiring from the heart, meaning hiring the right people from the get-go. A number of times I observe managers who choose prospects just because they need to fill the position. They don't take into consideration whether or not that person's heart is in the position to give it its all. The other thing would be connecting on a personal level. To foster a learning environment, I need to get to know each individual personally. Not only myself, but the team that will be helping me with my transformational change project. Since I work with individuals and making sure that they are in the right position, helping them to how to improve their skill set, how to help them to get their career objectives and meeting company goals. It's all essential to me and the TCP to know the individuals on a personal level. That would be key as part of my transformational change project. Empowering from the heart, maximizing employee potential by collaborating and finding opportunities to help individuals succeed. And then inspiring, the third thing is to value and honor achievement. Recognizing individual achievements, I think, is key to the project that I will be taking on at work. Although the assignment said to choose 2 or 3, I think all of the practices that leading from the heart shows would be very essential in my project and my organization to continue to grow and to make them successful, not only for the organization, but for the individuals to have engaging, motivated individuals in the organization. Thank you. Have a good night.